Ibiza, a place known for its wild parties, vibrant nightlife, and hedonistic lifestyle. But what if I told you there's another side to this island? One that is often overlooked. I came to Ibiza seeking a different kind of adventure, away from the crowds and the chaos of the party scene. I wanted to discover the untold stories of this island, and what I found was beyond my wildest dreams. Ibiza is a land of contrasts. On one side, you have the bustling beaches, the crowded clubs, and the colorful nightlife. But on the other side, you have the tranquil hills, the hidden caves, and the serene landscapes. It's a place where you can lose yourself, where you can find yourself in the silence. I explored the island's hidden corners, from secret beaches to the rocky outcroppings. I was struck by the raw beauty of Ibiza. The hills, the water, the cliffs, and the stunning sunsets I saw. What struck me the most was the sense of solitude. Amidst the hustle and bustle of the tourist destination, I found peace and quiet in the unspoiled corners of Ibiza. sat on the cliff, watching the waves crashing against the shore, I realized that sometimes the greatest adventures are the ones you take alone. Ibiza may be known for its parties, but for me, it will always be the place where I discover a different kind of magic. The magic of untold nature, the hidden corners, and the unspoiled landscapes. The magic of traveling alone and discovering a different side of yourself. If you're looking for an adventure, if you're looking to discover the untold stories of a place, don't be afraid to travel alone. It might just be the best decision you ever make.